Hi everyone and welcome, it's Diwali time. So today let's go ahead and create a simple yet glam makeup look for this Diwali occasion. Diwali is always special, everybody in India will celebrate this occasion. So today we are going to create a simple and a comfortable makeup look where you can go ahead and celebrate this Diwali with glam and with a comfort feel. So let's get started. So let's start with the primer. So for primer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is really great. It will hold your makeup for a really long time. Diwali is an occasion where you spend the whole day either outside with your family and friends. So a proper primer will help you to hold your makeup for such a long time. So this gives you that sticky feel which will help you to hold your makeup really good. So next I'm going to be using some orange corrector to cover the darker under eyes and the pigmented areas. For that I'm going to be using this orange color corrector from Sugar. This is a really good one. It's a cream based and it will cover your imperfections very beautifully. This blends in very well. So I'm just taking a brush and applying it in the pigmented areas. Next we'll move on to the foundation, and for foundation I'm going to be using this KIRO Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. So this is a very lightweight foundation and it doesn't make your skin look very heavy. It gives you a good coverage and it keeps your skin really hydrated. So today I'm going to use this foundation. So this one blends in very beautifully. It will it's very lightweight. You should definitely try this one. It's a serum based foundation. So next for concealer, I'm going to be using this Plum concealer and I have the shade Tan Glow, which is 130N. I'll just set the concealer and foundation better with this wet makeup sponge. Next I'll do a little bit of contouring, and for that I'm going to be using again the Sugar's contour stick, and this is a really good one. It gives, it's again a cream based contour stick, so let's use this today. So I really like contouring because it really gives, adds a nice shape to your face. So now I'm going to set this base with a compact powder, and for that I'm going to be using this Ruby's Compact. This is really good. It gives you a nice matte finish. So for me it's an oily skin, so I always expect a matte finish makeup. So I'm going to use a powder puff and just set this base. Let's do some eye makeup now, and for that I'm going to be using this Insights eyeshadow palette. This is really good and affordable. The shades are really pigmented and it gives you a nice finish, and you really have all the shades you need to create a subtle eye makeup. I really love the shades which are there in this. So let's create a simple eye makeup with this eyeshadow palette today. So first I'll take a brown shade and I'll just create a transition shade. Then I'll take this shade and I'll just apply it in the corners, in the outer corners. And I'll blend it along with the crease. Next I'll take this shimmery shade. So this is almost similar to my dress. So I'll just take it in my fingers and I'll apply it in the inner corners. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using this K-Beauty's eyeliner. I usually don't apply much of eyeliners because I have a hooded eyes. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit in the corners, very close to my lash line. Kajal, I'm going to be using this Just Herbs Kohl Kajal, and this is actually a shade brown. So I thought I'll just try this brown shade today. This is a nice dark brown shade. For mascara, I'm going to be using this Lakme's Eyeconic Curling Mascara. So this is a really good one. I haven't used it for a long time. So this has got this type of a curling, wand. So that's giving you a nice volume as well. Now I'll apply this eyeshadow in the lower corners as well. So I'm going to take a similar shade which I applied for the transition. And again, I'm going to take that shimmery shade. I'll apply it in the inner corners and just below my eyebrows, just to give that highlighted look. Okay, so that's a pretty simple eye makeup look is what I feel. Next, I'll do a little bit of blush. So I have this blush from Inside, the Super Stay blush. It's a cream blush and it's really good. It blends in so beautifully, and this shade is really great. I will provide the shade details in the description. So I'm taking it just a little bit and applying it like this. This is actually quite pigmented, I guess. I think I might have applied more. I'll just take a blush brush and blend it. So it blends in really well, you can see here. So a little is more than sufficient. So for highlighter, I have this Swiss Beauty's highlighter. It's a baked blusher and highlighter. So you have all these shades which are there. So it acts like a bronzer and like a highlight. So I'm going to be swiping it across this palette, and I'll apply it as a highlighter. Just a very little bit. So finally for lipstick, first I'm going to line my lips. So for that I'm going to be using this K-Beauty's lip liner, and I have the shade Vanity. So this is a nice pink shade which is really good for any skin tone. So first I'm going to line my lips. And to fill in the lips, again, I'm using the K-Beauty's liquid lipstick, and I have the shade Honor. So this is also a really great shade. I use it a lot. So it's like a kind of a mauve pink shade. So that's a beautiful shade. I really love this shade from the K-Beauty. So finally, to set the complete makeup, I'm going to be using this NYX setting spray. So this is the matte finish setting spray, which is really good. I use it a lot. So for me, as I said, being an oily skin person, I really love to have a matte finish makeup look. So this is really good. I'll just finally give a touch up with the compact. So I have that proper matte finish. So I'm using a brush, a powder brush. So that is the completed makeup. So this is the completed Diwali makeup look. I hope you liked it. So as I said, this is a simple yet a glam look, and it also will give you a comfortable feel. So the products which I've used are not really a heavy product. You don't feel really heavy when you use these products, and it will definitely stay for the whole day with the proper base products and setting spray, everything. It will definitely stay for the whole day. So this is how the finish is, the final look. I really like liked it. I liked all the products which I've used. I will provide the details of all the products which I used in this video in the description box. You can have a look at it. I hope you liked this video and it was useful. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.